Now, stop the video and choose the most appropriate word to fill each blank. Wait for the answers just 10 seconds and they will appear on the screen. Now, stop the video and choose the most appropriate word to fill each blank. Wait for the answers just 10 seconds and they will appear on the screen.
Remember, the goal of this exercise isn't just to understand every word, but to grasp the main ideas and key details of the speech of the speaker. So, stay focused, and if you miss something, don't worry. You have a chance to listen again.
Food shortages loom for UK as extreme weather disrupts crops. A recent news report paints a concerning picture of the UK's food security. The article argues that a confluence of extreme weather events, both domestically and abroad, threatens to cause significant food shortages and price hikes inflation in supermarkets. The primary culprit seems to be the relentless wet weather experienced across the UK throughout the crucial spring planting season. This has severely hampered farmers' ability to sow crops like potatoes, wheat, and vegetables. Furthermore, crops that have managed to be planted are reportedly of poor quality, with some even rotting in the damp soil. The ramifications extend beyond just vegetable yields. The persistent rain has also led to a high mortality rate for lambs and limited access to pasture for dairy cows, consequently impacting milk production. This situation isn't confined to the UK's borders. The report highlights similar struggles with wet weather faced by agricultural producers in key European countries like France and Germany. Additionally, drought conditions in Morocco, a major supplier of fruits and vegetables to the UK, further complicate the issue. The National Farmers Union (NFU) president, Tom Bradshaw, paints a bleak picture, suggesting markets have collapsed due to farmers' inability to produce food under these adverse conditions. He anticipates a significant increase in reliance on imported food to meet domestic needs. The domino effect of these disruptions is already being felt. A major retailer reported a staggering 60% year-on-year increase in the wholesale price of potatoes, largely due to crop rot. This trend is likely to continue, with industry experts predicting a further decline in planting this year. Experts warn that these disruptions are not simply short-term inconveniences. Jack Ward, chief executive of the British Growers Association, expresses concerns about the long-term viability of producing sufficient food volumes in the UK. He emphasizes the economic challenges faced by farmers, including low wholesale prices and rising costs for fuel, labor, and machinery. Climate change adds another layer of complexity to this already precarious situation. The report concludes with a stark warning from Dr. Paul Behrens, an environmental change expert. He emphasizes the urgency of addressing climate change and transitioning to more sustainable food systems. He argues that a significant reduction in meat consumption and a shift towards plant-based diets represent crucial opportunities for high-income nations like the UK to build resilience in their food supply chains. In essence, the report serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerability of our food systems to climate change. It underscores the need for immediate action to mitigate climate disruptions and develop sustainable agricultural practices to ensure food security for future generations.